I absolutely love Mac Dalio, man. This is Mac Dalio.
So na yun, ang utanan ako na kung saan daw pag-overcome pag nag-struggle ka pag-shoot sa bola. Kanang gi-practicean mo, everyday 1,000 shots per day, tapos gitry good nimo na i-shoot sa pagduwa na sa practice ngigo kay ka, pero sa game dili ka shot, struggle kayo ba, there's pressure, everything. Usa ra ang tambagan na you have to shoot your way out of it. Unsa may Bisaya na buwa kayo kundang ato tika ka shot tira nagbayo.
And this is also Mac Dalio.
Muna ni.
Pick up your f***ing mind, Mac! I'm just playing, man, but I absolutely love Mac Dalio, and I hope to see him in the PBA or in another big-time league someday. The kid absolutely deserves it. But hey, everybody's been following his advice and even put out a post that it's worked for a lot of people. So who are we to say what he said doesn't work, guys? I'll let your boy.